What if I told you every expression hides a secret inside it, like splitting a bundle of bananas into equal groups? Today, we learn factorization. Factorization means breaking an expression into simpler parts that multiply together. Just like 12 equals 3 times 4, we can write 2x plus 6 as 2 times x plus 3. Method 1. Common factor. Look at 6x squared plus 9x. Both terms share 3x. We take 3x outside the bracket. What remains goes inside. Method 2. Grouping. When you have 4 terms, group them in pairs. Factor each pair, then look for a common bracket. That bracket comes out. Method 3. Difference of 2 squares. If you see one square minus another square, it factors into 2 brackets, a plus b times a minus b. Let's factorize 4x cubed plus 8x squared minus 2x. The common factor is 2x. Divide each term by 2x. We get 2x times 2x squared plus 4x minus 1. Always check. Multiply back out. 2x times 2x squared gives 4x cubed. 2x times 4x gives 8x squared. 2x times negative 1 gives negative 2x. Correct. Factorize 25y squared minus 16. Is this a difference of 2 squares? Yes, 25y squared is 5y all squared, and 16 is 4 squared. So the answer is 5y plus 4 times 5y minus 4. Factorize 2mx plus 3ny plus 2my plus 3nx. Rearrange so matching terms are together. Group. 2m times x plus y plus 3n times x plus y. Answer. 2m plus 3n times x plus y. Common mistake. Students write x squared plus 9 as x plus 3 times x minus 3. Wrong. Difference of squares only works with a minus sign. X squared plus 9 cannot be factored this way. Remember, CGD, like a football chant, common factor first, then grouping, then difference of squares. Always try them in this order in your exam. You will never miss a mark. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons just like this one. Visit ovasaabi.com and never struggle with maths again.